Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. So today's video is a BeeBeeCraft haul. They reached out to me and asked if I would order some items and make some projects for them. And I said, heck yeah, I will. Because who doesn't like free products, right? So everything comes, I haven't opened anything yet. So it comes wrapped in this bubble wrap. I just kind of cut the bubble wrap apart. And here are my items. So let's take a look at what we ordered. So let's go ahead, and everything comes in these nice bags too. So if you want to like save these bags or that, so let's just take everything out. And take a look. This is in a bag too. So great. I mean, it does have this stuff here on the bag, but they're still good for storage and that. So let's go ahead and take a look one by one of what we got. Okay, so these are beads, and I'm gonna be honest, they looked a little bit different on the website. They're a little bit darker than I thought, but let's take a look. So I kind of stayed with the bead theme. So we have these. They're supposed to be like a hot pink kind of color, but they're definitely more red than that. But they're still pretty, right? Still very pretty. And you get one strand of those. And then these beads here, because they were iridescent, and I love the iridescence. So let's take a look at these. These are really pretty. They're almost like a frosted glass. I don't know if you can see well in the camera. Am I focusing? I don't know if I look out of focus or not. But yeah, definitely. I mean, look at the shine. They almost look like they're, like in the light, they almost look like they're lit up. These are really, really gorgeous beads, guys. So those, it's just a strand. It just says a strand. I'm not, Then I got these because I thought these were really pretty. You get 200 of these beads. And they're just all different colors. And let's just take a look at some of them. I just loved the colors. These would be great to add to charms or dangles, or just so pretty. And they're floral. But just look at the different colors for like everything, for any kind of tassel or charm that you're making, and you could definitely find something in here to go along with the color scheme that you would be creating. Here is some jump rings, and I got these because the jump rings that I have, and I'm curious how these are. I have jump rings already, not in all the basic colors. I have them in like colors, and then I have a bunch of gold, but I don't have the silver or the copper or the black. So let's just take a look, because some of the ones that I have, I find that they're really flimsy. But these seem okay. You know, you can bend them with your hand. Ideally, you don't want to do that. You want to use your pliers and that. So we get the they're different colors. So this is more of like a silver, and then these are like a shinier silver, right? I don't really know the difference, but then there's gold, the nickel, the copper color, and then I think these are black. Yeah, these are black. So, oh, that's a silver one in the black box. So yeah, these are really nice. I think these will come in very handy. And they come right in this container where you can just store them all. Whoop, uh-oh. Let's see if we can put this all back. There we go. Okay. That's probably why the colors got mixed up, because it wasn't sealed so great. And then I was excited to get these. These are called... I didn't even know what these were called, but I looked them up, and they're either gourd pins or bulb pins, they're called. So that has a nice little bubble wrap up there, I guess, to keep them all secure. And these, look at all the different colors. We have 24 different colors. And I figured these would be a great way to attach them to a project. So if you're doing like a, what's that called? Like, what are these called? What are they called, guys? Oh my God, I always forget the name of the things. But, you know, you put the, what are they called? It doesn't even tell me on here. Well, it's a crocodile, but, eyelets? Eyelets. Eyelets. So if you put that, and then you can stick this through here, and you can have your dangle or whatever, your ribbon or whatever you want to hang underneath there. So I thought these were really cute. And I cannot wait to create some projects with these, with all of these, and then with some other items that I have. So that is what I'm going to be bringing to you shortly. I just wanted to kind of show you what I got. I will leave the link to all the different items down below this video. And they also were kind enough to give me a coupon code for my my viewers. If any of you want to head over to the BeeBeeCrafts website, I will have all that linked down below. But if you use Happy Mail 5, you will get $5 off of a $40 order, $40 or higher. And I do believe, I know when I ordered, I think it's all the time, that it's free shipping over $39. Okay, so you would get the $5 off. If you just spend the $40, you get the $5 off. And then, not sure if the free shipping would apply once you apply the $5 coupon. But either way, the stuff comes super fast. You know, you're not waiting weeks and weeks. I think I did wait 2 weeks for this. Normally, their orders come a lot quicker. But I think just with everything going on with the mail and, you know, things are just delayed shipping and getting products and that right now. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my little BeeBeeCraft haul. And I hope you will come back and see some of the things that I created. Have a great night. See you in the next video.